Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Holidays are approaching fast and I have a very special smoked chicken Sukka recipe for you to make for the parties and get-togethers. Let's go. We have to make a masala paste for this recipe and you can make this a day ahead and refrigerate if you like. Keep in an airtight container. Just a touch of water to make a smooth paste. Perfect. Here I have boneless and skinless chicken thighs as they cook fast and remain soft after cooking. This is the masala paste we made earlier. Now for some everyday spices and seasonings. I used 2 different red chili powders so they are different tones. This is a very simple and easy recipe to make and it gets ready quickly. This is sour cream and you can also use homemade malai if you like. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Mix well and we will leave it aside for an hour or even overnight if you like. That way the chicken will marinate well with the masala. Let's make the main dish now. We will saute the onions until they are golden in color and the cooking will be on medium heat. Don't brown the onions. Add the marinated chicken and saute until you see the oil separating. It may take anywhere between 2 to 4 minutes. You will also see the chicken changing color. You see the oil? Cover and cook on medium-low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. You will see the moisture releasing and we haven't added any water as this is a dry dish. Check for doneness. The moisture will be absorbed eventually. Crush the kasuri methi in between your palms and add to the chicken. Give a good mix. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. I had kept a piece of coal on direct flame to heat up while the chicken was cooking. Make a small well in between the chicken and place the bowl. Place the coal and add some oil which will start to smoke right away. Cover and keep until the smoke fades away. Uncover and remove the bowl and discard the coal. Mix and enjoy. The moisture will dry up eventually. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with one more awesome recipe. Bye.